Ayotte Germany have been around for 100 years. They obviously started from humble beginnings and have manufactured themselves into a giant of an organisation. The UK is following a similar trend of that. We hope that going forward we will make quite a difference.
Ayotte has been around 100 years. We touch every part of the world. The light is always on with Ayotte.
Every different sector that we're involved in, we are market leader. And that's from automotive to construction. And we pride ourselves on our technical ability, our quality of the product.
Standing still doesn't work. We need to solve problems for our customers. We design solutions to tomorrow's problems.
When we came to this site 20 years ago, we were 26 people. Now we're 6 times that size. And we're now putting the expansion in for the future.
Our expansion at Ayotte UK is going to come into a few different categories. We're expanding our engineering capabilities, we're expanding our logistic capabilities and our manufacturing capabilities.
When we first sat down, we looked and designed a new facility. But when you actually see it going up, you go, wow, how exciting is this for everybody involved in the project?
It's a very good feeling to come in every day and see this building going up, to see, wow. And that's the feeling you get in when you drive around the corner. Wow, look what we're developing.
As an engineer, I'm really proud that we're putting engineering back into Yorkshire. It's not only the investment in the building and the company, it's investment in people as well. Working with Ayotte is a little bit unique because it's not often that you find that a family-owned company reinvests all of their profit back into the company year on, year out. It's great that it's come round to our turn at Ayotte UK.